All right, everyone. So we're out. It's early morning. Had a really good cold front come through last night, dumped some rain. Our temperature changed probably like over 25 degrees just last night to this morning. So in the high 40s, low 50s today. So I'm gonna be heading out. Been hunting this spot. It's along a lake. We're gonna be getting about 1.5 miles, 2 miles back, and we're going to see how it goes. We're going to hopefully get into some fresh sign. I've hunted this area a bunch in the past and really love hunting this area by a canoe, but didn't have the time today, and you can hear the winds blowing pretty good. So we just got set up. We're overlooking this valley. But when we got up on top of this ridge, we wound up seeing a good amount of sign, some scat and stuff like that, all fresh, which is great. You know, what I've been really looking for lately is fresh sign. We're really close, but we just haven't had deer, closing the distance. But for right now, I came to a new area, a different spot today. I haven't been here yet this season, so we're gonna see how it goes.
That got intense. I said that got intense.
Sun was in her face. She wasn't really able to see, and the wind was in a good direction for us to try to sneak in and get a shot. But ultimately, it was just like too thick where she was bedded down, or where she wound up bedding down. She wound up walking away for, like 30, 40 yards and then just bedding down right there. And I thought it was going to happen, but unfortunately, she bedded right looking in my direction. So it just happens. But we're going to keep hiking out of here. Hopefully we run into something else. Going out this morning, I got me and my buddy Joe. We're out in a new piece of public land I've never been to. We're like almost two and a half hours south of where we usually go. So we're just gonna be, for the most part, getting on a trail and getting deep into this piece of public land, and we'll see what we see out there. And if we see some good sign, we're probably gonna hang out and, you know, just chill, still hunt for a little while. But if we don't see much good sign, we're gonna just keep hiking until we find something good. And if we don't find anything good at this area, we're gonna back out, get back to the truck, and then go to a new section. This is a big piece of public land, so definitely got to drive around and keep trying before we can get on the deer. So figuring out what direction we're going. Just got off the trail, we're back on the road. We're gonna get back onto a trail and start heading back into the woods for a little while. We kicked up one deer on the walk through that trail. It was like, I don't know, maybe 3/4 of a mile of a walk we just did. We're gonna try to get back onto another trail and cut back over to the truck and then head to another section of this public, but that's pretty cool so far. Alright, let's do it. Watch the trail, watch the trail. Yep, watch, see it? Just cross it. I think those deer might try to get back together. Okay, he's just standing there, don't move at all. Oh. It just dipped. We just got into a couple of deer, a couple of does. Some big mature does were in that group too. But unfortunately our wind is just kind of like floating towards them. They spotted us at first. We just walked off the trail and got near this like big open field, and there was a doe just standing in the middle of this open field. So we stopped and she noticed us. And as I tried to sneak a little bit closer when she looked away, there was a bunch more deer just off of the field that saw me and spooked. So then they ran into the woods and we managed to catch back up to them. We cut them off, but it's too thick in here, as you could see. You're just looking through here at like, 30 yards is like as max as you could possibly shoot, and that's if you're lucky.